In this video, we are going to solve a problem on coordinate geometry. So the question here is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points A 3 minus 6 and B 5 3 is divided by the x-axis. So to clearly understand what is the question that is being asked, it's better to plot it in the graph so that you know how exactly these 2 points look like. So let's draw the x-axis and the y-axis. All right, and we have the points 3 minus 6. So 3 is in the x-axis, so 1 2 3, and minus 6 in the y-axis, so have to go down, say 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So it will be somewhere over here. This is one of the points, and the second point B is 5 3. So again I have to go further towards the right. This is 5 and 3, so 1 2 3. So it will be somewhere over here. So this point B is 5 comma 3 and point A is 3 comma minus 6. Now the question that is being asked is, when you join these 2 points, this is supposed to be a straight line. Please excuse me for my drawing. So when you join these 2 points, it touches the x-axis at this place. The x-axis divides this line. This is one part of that line and this is the other part of the line. So what is being asked? If this is M and this is N, what is the M is to N ratio in which this point divides the line? So for this we have to use the section formula. So before we use the section formula, let us just list on what all we have. We have x1 as 3, x2 equal to 5, y1 equal to minus 6, and y2 equal to 3. And let's just put M and N over here. M is to N. So using the section formula, now this point is in the x-axis, right? So let's say the x coordinate is x, and what will be the y coordinate? It will be 0, right? In this entire line, the y coordinate will be 0, right? So no matter where we go, towards the right, the positive direction or the negative direction, the y coordinate will be 0. Similarly, in this direction, the x coordinate will be 0. Now in this point, we have the coordinates as x and 0. Do we have to find x? Not required, because we just have to find the ratio m is to n. So to find this ratio m is to n, it is enough if we have one of the coordinates. So here we have the y coordinate value as 0. So using the section formula, which is, if I use the y coordinate value, it will be y equal to m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. And the value of y that we have here is 0. So 0 is equal to m, and what is y2? It is 3. y2 is 3. This is the x1, x2 and y2, and this is x1 and y1. Plus n y1. y1 is minus 6. This one. Divided by m plus n. So we have 0 equal to 3m minus 6n divided by m plus n. Now when we cross multiply, we take this m plus n to the left. It's still 0 because we are multiplying it by 0. So 0 equals 3m minus 6n. Therefore, 3m equal to 6n, or m divided by n. If you bring this guy here and you take the number to the other side, 3 goes to the other side. So m by n will become 6 divided by 3. So the ratio is 6 is to 3, or you can say 2 is to 1. So this m is equal to 2 and n equal to 1. So this particular point on the x-axis divides this line in the ratio 2 is to 1. So this is the answer for this particular equation. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful, where I also tried to explain some of the basics of coordinate geometry when you have two unknowns. Two unknowns in the sense you do not know the coordinates and you also do not know the ratio in which that particular point divides the line in a particular ratio. Alright, I hope you found this tutorial useful. If there are any other questions that you want me to create a video on, please do post them in the comment section. And do like and subscribe to my channel so that as and when I post more videos, you get an immediate update about it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.